Talk Angel Podcast channel. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Angel, the podcast where you learn English.
And also learn that Angel is way more emotional than she pretends.
Excuse me? I am emotionally intelligent.
That's exactly what emotional people say.
Okay. Today's topic is special. We're talking about feelings.
Yes, how to talk about your feelings in English without sounding like Google Translate or a robot from the future.
And we'll share our own feelings too, because English is best learned through real emotions and real stories.
So grab a drink, relax, and let's talk about feelings.
Liam, let me ask you something. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling calm, a little tired, but excited.
See? That's perfect English already. 3 feelings in 1 sentence.
How about you?
Honestly, I feel grateful. Talking to people through this podcast makes me happy. And I'm a bit nervous too, because feelings are personal.
And that's why this topic is powerful. When you talk about feelings, people connect with you.
Let's start simple. In English, we often use I feel plus adjective.
I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel angry. I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel scared.
These are basic feelings, but native speakers use many more emotional words.
Let's talk about positive feelings. Angel, when was the last time you felt proud?
When I started my podcast channel, I felt proud because I created something from my heart.
Great sentence. I felt proud because I created something from my heart.
Other positive feelings: joyful, grateful, relaxed, peaceful, inspired, confident.
Repeat this pattern. I feel grateful for...
Listeners, say this out loud. I feel grateful for my life.
Good job.
Okay, Liam, time to be honest. When was the last time you felt sad?
When a friend moved to another country, I felt lonely.
That's a great emotional sentence. I felt lonely when my friend moved away.
Other negative feelings: frustrated, disappointed, anxious, stressed, overwhelmed, heartbroken.
Let's practice. I feel stressed about work. I feel anxious about my exam.
Say it with us, listeners.
Some feelings are funny, like when you feel hangry, hungry, and angry.
Angel gets hangry every 2 hours.
That's not true.
Yesterday she said, "Don't talk to me until I eat rice."
Okay, maybe a little true.
Other funny feelings: confused, awkward, embarrassed, shocked.
I felt embarrassed when I waved back at someone who wasn't waving at me.
That happens to me every week.
Let's talk about deeper feelings. Liam, what makes you feel loved?
When people listen to me and understand me.
That's beautiful. I feel loved when people support my dreams.
You can say, I feel loved when...
Other deep feelings are hopeful, thankful, nostalgic, lonely, connected.
An example with hopeful is, I feel hopeful about the future.
Native speakers don't always say I feel.
They say things like, I'm over the moon, very happy. I'm down, sad. I'm stressed out. I'm on cloud 9. I'm feeling blue.
Let's practice. I'm over the moon because...
Listeners, complete the sentence in your head.
Let's do a role play.
You were talking to your friend.
Hey Liam, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit stressed. Work is intense.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, that would help.
Listeners, repeat this dialogue with us.
Exercise time.
Pause the podcast and answer these questions. 1. How are you feeling today? 2. What made you feel happy recently? 3. What made you feel sad or stressed?
Try to use full sentences using I feel, I felt.
Sometimes we feel more than one emotion.
You can say, I feel excited but nervous. I'm happy and sad at the same time.
Like when you graduate, you're happy but nostalgic.
When someone shares feelings, you can say, I understand. That sounds tough. I'm happy for you. I'm here for you.
This is emotional English, very powerful. Can I share something personal?
Of course.
Sometimes I feel scared about my dreams, but talking to listeners gives me courage.
That's honest, and that honesty is what makes people connect with you.
Listeners, it's okay to feel scared, excited, confused, or hopeful. Feelings are human.
Repeat these sentences with us. I feel grateful today. I feel tired but happy. I feel nervous about the future. I feel proud of myself. I feel loved by my friends.
Great job.
Thank you.
Today, you learned how to talk about your feelings in English.
But more importantly, you learned that your feelings matter.
If you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who is learning English.
And tell us in the comments, how are you feeling right now?
This is Angel.
And Liam.
See you next time on Talk Angel, where English meets real life.